Storage is a Sherpa Orchestrator's built-in repository of files that can be accessed by robots, whether it's an Excel spreadsheet or an archive of documents. Robots can also modify and upload files. Like many other entities in Orchestrator, files in storage are grouped for convenience, order, and visibility. To upload a file manually, select a folder and click the New button in the Files section. You will be prompted to give it a name and description, and of course, choose a local file to upload to Orchestrator. Anytime you can edit any of these parameters, including replacing the file itself. In the File URL tab, you can copy a direct link to a file. Direct file links are useful in some automation scenarios and are also used to display uploaded files in Actions forms. Let's look at how you can build storage interaction into your process in Sherpa Designer. All storage interaction blocks are in the Orchestrator palette. In this demo process, let's start with the block Storage Read File. It downloads a file from the storage and saves it locally. In my case, it is a table that is saved in a subfolder of process. I specified the required file in storage by specifying its GUID, copied from Orchestrator. In the palette you will find many blocks for creating, deleting, and modifying files and folders. Their names speak for themselves, and their settings are similar. For example, Storage Create File Group. I just need to specify the name of the new folder, and at the moment of creation, its GUID will be written to this variable. Using the storage update file, you can both move the file to another storage folder and change its parameters, and replace the file with another one if you specify the path to the local file. Let's see what we got. The robot retrieved an Excel spreadsheet from Orchestrator storage, saved it locally, modified its contents, uploaded it back to storage, and moved it to a different folder. Note that the GUID of the file remains the same, so this will not disrupt other processes accessing the file.